This video provides instructions on how to install a downspout at an angle in the Trex RainEscape system. Cut out the front panel of the downspout, according to your joist spacing of 12 inches or 16 inches. The front panels are clearly marked for use with 12-inch or 16-inch spacing. After you remove the front panel, make a mark on the back side of the funnel 1 inch below the top flange. Some downspouts may have this line pre-marked. Use your utility knife to cut the top flange at the score marks, allowing the trough to sit at a pitch for the cantilever. Place one downspout in each bay. Slide the funnel up so it touches the rim joist at the desired angle. The funnel must stay square in the bay opening. Staple the funnel and the trough into each bay. Run standard trough material from the house out to the rim. Then install a cantilever trough, which will run from the rim joist back past the downspout into the existing trough. Once the trough has been installed, trim off excess trough material at the desired angle. Completely tape all the joists and seams to make a watertight seal.